You forget names, you forget your keys. But you know what? Your brain can remember so much more than you think. Here's how you can unlock its full potential, starting right now. Think about it. Some people can recall entire speeches word for word. Others can remember thousands of tiny details from years ago. They have the same human brain as you and me. The only difference, their habits. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because tip number 5 is the one most people skip, and it's the one that quietly destroys your memory without you even realizing it. Let's jump right in. Number 1, train your attention. You see, most memory problems aren't actually memory problems at all. They're attention problems. If you don't focus on something, you simply cannot remember it. It's impossible. So start seeing. Put your phone away. Focus on one thing at a time. Take short notes when you're learning something new. Look for what really matters in a conversation or a text. Attention is the doorway to your memory. If you don't pay attention, nothing gets in. No attention, no memory. It's that simple. And this leads us directly to point number 2. Understand. Don't just memorize. Your brain absolutely hates random, disconnected facts. It's not designed to store them, but it loves meaning. It thrives on connections. When new information connects to something you already know, it sticks like glue. When it doesn't, it just vanishes into thin air. So, the next time you're learning something, ask yourself powerful questions. How does this actually work? How does this connect to what I already understand? How is this similar to something else I know? Understanding turns a boring piece of information into a story. And stories are incredibly easy to remember. But there's a trick to making those stories even stickier, which most people completely miss. Number 3, organize everything. Your brain is a pattern-finding machine. It remembers patterns, not chaos. So help it out. Group similar ideas together. Chunk large amounts of information into smaller, digestible pieces. A great rule of thumb is to sort things into groups of 5 to 7 items at a time. That seems to be the sweet spot for our short-term memory. Suddenly, long grocery lists become easier. Complex concepts become clearer. And your ability to recall information becomes so much faster. It's like tidying up a messy room. Everything is easier to find. And now, for a powerful amplifier for all these techniques, number 4 is to use your senses. Don't just read something silently. Say it out loud. Picture it vividly in your mind's eye. Hear the words in your head. The more of your senses you use to encode a memory, the more pathways your brain creates to that information, and the deeper it sticks. When you meet someone new, don't just hear their name. Visualize it, spelled out in bright, bold letters. When you're learning a new idea, try drawing a simple diagram of it. Explain concepts out loud, even if you're just talking to yourself. Your memory gets exponentially stronger when more of your brain joins the job. But this next one, this is the absolute game changer. Number 5, review and repeat. This is the crucial step where most people fail. A memory needs time to lock in, to move from short-term to long-term storage. This process is called consolidation, and it requires repetition. Do a quick review of what you learned an hour later. Do another review the next day. An even better way to do it is to teach it to someone else. Repetition isn't boring. It's how you tell your brain, hey, this is important. Keep it. If you miss this step, all that information you worked so hard to learn will just fade away. This is the simple secret behind why some people seem to remember everything. And here are a few bonus tips for a fast boost. Sleep well. Your brain consolidates memories while you sleep. Drink plenty of water. A dehydrated brain can't function properly. Reduce your stress, because the stress hormone cortisol can actively damage your memory. And keep learning new skills. Your brain is a muscle. You have to use it or you lose it. Ultimately, you don't need a better brain. You just need better habits. Train it, challenge it, and respect it. Your memory can improve, and it can improve dramatically at any age. If this video helped you, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. I've got more brain hacks and more life upgrades coming your way. And click the next video you see on your screen, because that's where most people really start to unlock their true potential. Thanks for watching.